Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the Notes app to use device passcode or use custom password on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on Notes. Next, tap on Password and then select the account that you would like to set the password for. So here you can choose iCloud, and then from here choose a password method. You can set it to use device passcode or use custom password. If you select use custom password, you can manually put in any password that you want to use. So here I put in test, and then we verify it again, test, and then hint, test, and then tap on done. And that's it. So say updated to custom password. And from here, from now on, when you lock your note, so here we can lock it, and it will use a custom password. So here I can enter in password, test, to unlock it. And that's it. So that is how you can set a custom password. If you use device passcode, you can see that if I go back to Note, and if I want to unlock it, so I have to enter the password, and this time it will use the device passcode. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.